Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I want all of you forever, you and me, every day. Grow old along with me, the best is yet to be. In your smile, I see something more beautiful than stars. You will forever be my always. There's no pretending, I love you, and I will love you until I die. Forever isn't long enough with you. Together is my favorite place to be. I love you, not only for what you are, but for what I am when I am with you. So, I love you because the entire universe conspired to help me find you. I want to be with you until my last page. You're my favorite place to go when my mind searches for peace. Just you and me, forever and always. You complete me in a way I never knew was possible. When I say I love you, I mean it with every part of me. If forever does exist, please let it be you. You are, and always have been, my dream. I never want to stop making memories with you. When I follow my heart, it leads me to you. You are the love that came without warning. You had my heart before I could say no. I didn't choose you, my heart did. Every time I see you, I fall in love all over again. You are my today and all of my tomorrows. Whatever our souls are made of, his and mine are the same. I love you more than I have ever found a way to say to you. To the world, you may be one person, but to one person you are the world. Every love story is beautiful, but ours is my favorite. You're nothing short of my everything. Forever is a long time, but I wouldn't mind spending it by your side.